Hi guys, welcome back. As I told you in the previous video, today I am going to show you how to connect Canon G3010 over wireless to my computer. Okay, I have already downloaded the driver from the internet. If you have the CD, you can use the driver CD, came with the printer. If you download from the internet, you can get the latest version. Okay, here I will open my Canon printer driver. Click on the M setup, start setup. Now it will start downloading the files from the internet. If you want to know how to reset a Canon G3010 network settings, you can click on this link and it will show you how to reset this Canon to its factory settings. Okay, now the downloading is almost completed. Choose your location. I will choose Asia and India. Click on next. Accept the license agreement. Extended survey system. If you like, you can agree, otherwise do not agree. Keep it as it is. Deactivate the firewall block. Click on the next button. You don't have to uncheck this one, just keep it as checked. Click on next button. Now it will check the printer status. If your printer is already connected to this router, this network, it will automatically detect. Otherwise it will show you how to, it will ask you how to choose the connection. If you want to use the wireless connection, select this one. Otherwise you can use USB connection and connect the printer as the USB printer. Now I want to connect this printer as the wireless connection. Select this wireless LAN connection and click next button. Now check your printer. Make sure it is connected and powered on. Now it will start detecting the printer. If your printer is already connected to this network previously, it will automatically detect the IP from the printer. Otherwise, you have to set up the network connection according to the guide. Okay. Select the second option, set up the network connection according to the guide. If you are connecting your printer for the first time, you have to choose this one, set up the network connection according to the guide. Click on the next button. It will open the online manual, online instructions. If you want, you can read through this one. Otherwise, click on this alternative methods. Now it will show you two options. Connect it to the wireless from the printer. Set up wireless connection using a USB cable. Okay. If your printer have a screen, display screen, and if you have option to enter the wireless password, you can select the first option and you can choose the router and enter the password. Now in this model there is no option to enter wireless password on printer, so we have to use the USB cable to transfer network details to the printer. Okay, so select the second option, set up wireless connection using a USB cable and click on the next button. Again the pop-up window will open for showing the instructions. Now minimize this one. Now click on the next button. Here you can see printer connection. Connect the printer and computer using a USB cable. This is to transfer the IP address from the router to printer. Okay, I will connect my computer and printer using a USB cable. Now the printer is detected. You can see the computer is trying to set up. Now it is asking to choose the wireless router details. I will choose my internet connection, Kerala Vision VFix, and here we have to enter the network key of the router. I will enter my wireless password here. Click on the next button. It will take some time to complete the setup. Now the printer and computer is connected through the router. You can see the logo. Click on the next button and remove the USB cable from the computer and the printer. Then click on the next button. Now it will install the printer driver on the computer. Installing MP drivers. It will take 3 to 5 minutes to complete the setup. Print head alignment recommended. Click on the next button. If you need, you can take a test print by clicking the start button. You can press on the next button to finish the setup. Now you can see the setup is complete. If you want, you can make this printer as the default printer by checking this option, set as default printer. Click on the next button. Now it will show the details of supporting software. You can see here user manual, my image garden, quick menu, easy web print X. All these applications you can install on your computer, but it is not important. If you need, you can install, otherwise you can skip this option. So I don't want to install these also software. It will take about 1 GB on my computer. It's up to you. You can choose. You can install all these applications. I will uncheck all this and click on next button. If you want to know how to connect your mobile and printer directly through the wireless and how to take printout from the mobile directly, please comment in the comment section and I will try to make another video regarding this. Here click on the next button and the installation is completed successfully. You can exit here, okay. Close this browser and now go to the printers, control panel, printers. Here you can see the Canon 3010, Canon G3010 series is added, and I will do a test printing. Printer properties, printer test page. Now you can see the printer is not connected through the cable. It is connected through the wireless. There is no any wireless. There is no any USB cable connected. Now you can see the print is coming out from the printer without any physical cable from computer to printer. Okay. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. And if you are not subscribed in my YouTube channel, please do subscribe now and press the bell icon to get all notifications. Okay. So we will see in the next video. Until then, bye. Thank you.